Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or change language on your Sony NW A100 series. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Simply scroll down your finger like that and find settings button. Now scroll all the way down, enter system, then languages and input. Here go for the languages, and there's a language which you can add or remove. If you want to add one, click on add a language. Here you'll be able to pick whichever language you prefer. There's a lot of them. The second is to delete the language. You'll need to press on these three little dots in the top right corner of the screen, select remove, and then click on the language you want to remove and click on this trash icon. Then select OK, and the language will be removed from this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.